안녕하세요. Welcome to Gyeong-sun's Korean class. Today we will learn about object marker 을 or 를 and also the sentence structure in Korean language. Okay, in English I say I eat apple. Right? So you can see here in English our sentence structure is subject, verb, object. Okay, SVO. But then in Korean language, in the same way, so this is English. Okay, how about in Korean? So 저는 사과를 먹어요. Okay, so here in Korean language, 저는 I. Okay, subject. It's followed by 사과를. So what is 사과? 사과 is apple. Apple is our object. And 먹어요, to eat. So I eat apple is actually here is 먹어요 is our verb. Okay? So you can see it's inverted compared to English sentence structure. Okay? So 저는 사과를 먹어요. So if I directly translate this actually means I apple eat. Okay? So in short, always remember in Korean language it's SOV. Okay? And here there is something I would like to show you here. You can see 사과, which is apple, has something attached to it here. Right? So what is this? This is the object marker. So in Korean language, every object will have this object marker. And how do we choose between 을 or 를 is depending on the condition of 받침. So if you watched the previous video regarding the 받침 concept, you will know it by now, okay? So I can give you another tips, okay? So you can see, for example, banana. Okay, banana. Banana is our object, right? Object. So banana is followed by what? 을 or 를. Okay, so how do we determine? You can see there is one consonant, one vowel. So it's end with a vowel. Okay, anytime if it is ended with a vowel, it's followed by 를. Okay? Another example. Check, which is book. Okay? Check something. What is the object marker for check? So if you see here, one consonant, two consonant, and one vowel, right? So this character is ended by a consonant. So it is followed by 을. So 책을. Okay, 책을. So by now you should be able to identify the option between 을 or 를 when you have your own object. Okay? So in short, this is our verb. This is our object. All the time, always, before verb, we have object. And on the object, we have object marker. Okay? So you might be wondering, why do we need to differentiate between 을 and 를? It's very troublesome, right? But if you notice, it is actually more natural to pronounce it when we write it the correct way. So I will show you right now on the spot. If I use banana, 을 instead of 를, and also 책을. Okay, let's try to pronounce them. Banana, 을 is pretty awkward to pronounce actually compared to 바나나를 먹어요. Right? Eat the banana. So banana, is wrong. Okay, and check. This is more obvious. Okay, checker is the correct way. How about this? Checker. In fact, this is chenger. It's very awkward to pronounce this l with this check. Okay, the pronunciation is actually checker. Okay, now I have prepared 4 examples for you. Okay, so let's identify the subject, object, and verb. Okay, first one, number 1. 저는, okay, I. 사과를, apple, our object. 먹어요, eat, to eat, right? So 저는 사과를 먹어요. I eat an apple. So actually, N is not mentioned here, okay? Just I eat apple, okay? So you can see here, for apple, 사과, it's ended with a vowel, right? It's our consonant K with our vowel wa, right? So it's ended with a vowel. So it is followed by 를, okay? Number 2. 동생이, okay, younger brother. 동생이, younger brother or younger sister, okay? 동생이 책을, 책 is book, okay? 읽어요, to read. So subject, object, verb. 동생이 책을 읽어요. So why is it Because 책 is ended with K, a consonant, right? We have a 받침 for here, for 책. Okay? And number 3, 고양이, cat is our subject. Okay? 우유, milk. Milk is our object. 마셔요. Okay? 마셔요 is to drink, our verb. Okay? 고양이가 우유를, you can see here, 우유, milk, is ended with a vowel, U. So we use 를. 우유를 마셔요. And number 4, 학생이, okay, 학생, student is our subject. 영화, okay, 영화 is our object. 봐요, to watch, okay, verb. So 학생이 영화를 봐요. So why is it 를? Because 영화, movie, 화 is ended with a vowel. And there is no 받침, there is no other consonant, right? It's not ended with a consonant. And the last one, 우리는, we, 한국어를, Korean language, okay? 배워요, to learn. We learn Korean language, okay? So 우리, we is the subject here, okay? And 한국어를 is our object. And the last one, 배워요, is to learn, our verb. So 한국어를, so why we use 를? Because this object is ended with a verb. A vowel. Okay? So there is no 받침, and so the way we identify this is check whether it's ended by vowel or a consonant. Okay? You can either use this way, this is the simplest way to identify, or you check for 받침, whether there is any consonant at the bottom of the character, right? So I believe at this point you have fully understand the sentence structure in Korean language, and also when to use and when to use 를. Okay? So please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video if you enjoyed this lesson. See you again. 감사합니다.